Good morning. Today is April 20th, and I believe we have a happy birthday in the house. I believe there's
Happy birthday
someone.
to you.
Yes,
Happy birthday to
Allie.
you.
Happy birthday, girl. We've got something fun planned for you. I need everybody to make sure that you check your Flipgrid code for today and give happy birthday that's deserved to Allie Edwards. Go ahead and log into the Flipgrid code right here and give Allie your birthday wish since we can't give her a birthday wish in person. I hope you have a great day, Allie. Let's get on with our daily planner. Let's look at math today. You are going to do a quick checkpoint today. Very light and easy load for math on Monday. Just a quick checkpoint to see where we're at from our learning from last week. We're going to start a new story called Katie's Trunk. Katie's Trunk is located in the Houghton Mifflin book, the orange Houghton Mifflin book. You will have an opportunity to read it in your orange Houghton Mifflin book or listen to it with the audio that is provided for you, or you can do both. Today is just a focus on vocabulary, so we won't actually be reading it today, but you are going to prepare your brain for that story by going through and practicing some of that new vocabulary that you're going to find in Katie's Trunk. Again, you're going to continue on with your real-time journal. I know some of you might think that you don't have anything really worth noting. So I want you to do me a favor and go back into the original directions that were given to you the first week of school, the first week of our distance learning. And there are a lot of ideas in there. And I bet that you're probably getting to the point where you might want to spark a new idea. So make sure that you go back into the original real-time journal directions and see if you can spark a new idea, write about something different. We are going to continue on with Woods Runner, read chapter 9, and there is a discussion thread also to complete. For social studies, I want you to see that I have changed a little bit on the daily planner. I put social studies and science instead of doing it day by day. I'm noting that this is what you need to have done for the week. So you are going to make sure that you are spending 40 to 60 minutes per week on social studies and on science. So you're going to notice, like I said, I'm not going to do day per day and skip every other day. From here on out, I want you to choose, but just make sure that you're spending 40 to 60 minutes on social studies and science per week. And you'll notice there are 2 new activities in science, and for social studies, you're going to continue working on that Road to Revolution project. Lastly, I have changed the face-to-face meeting schedule, and I'm putting that face-to-face meeting schedule on the actual daily planner, but you're also going to notice that I have it on the weekly schedule as well. So when we look at the week at a glance, instead of having that separate face-to-face schedule, you can check when do we have live meetings and when are my office hours. You can look at that at a week at a glance right here, a week at a glance. So you don't have to flip through so many different documents. So when we look at the week at a glance, this is just all the week, Monday through Friday. You're going to notice and I'm not going to go through everything, but math, just a general idea of what's happening in math, a general idea of what's going on with Katie's Trunk, the journal, the Woods Runner, for science and social studies. And then, like I said, you can take a peek at my office hours and my live meetings on This Week at a Glance. Just an FYI, there will be no live meeting on Tuesday. I have a meeting in the afternoon that I need to attend, so no live meeting on Tuesday. Again, make sure you get on that Flipgrid and wish Allie a happy birthday, and I hope everybody has a happy Monday, and we'll see you at 1.